Oh my! Oh!
Yay!
Yay! Can you get a good picture of him?
Yeah, I got him. This is Spin the Watermelon. A new game Alex has come up with.
Can you get him good?
Yep.
Oh my! Just keep your arms out, Billy.
Yeah, I am.
Who would have thought a watermelon could be so fun?